Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to apply for vehicle trade certificate in Telangana. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Telangana apply for vehicle trade certificate. Here in this page we have given detailed procedure along with instruction and information which are very much useful for a new applicant to understand and complete this procedure. Also, you can see few links for external website and forms. These are very much important for completing this procedure. You will understand the importance of these links in the due course of our presentation. List of items covered in this session. Need to apply for vehicle trade certificate. Documents required. How to apply. Eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources, other information. Today, this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to apply for vehicle trade certificate. First of all, vehicle trade certificate is an document or certificate which is required by the agency or the dealers who are concerned with selling vehicles from a manufacturer. This certificate will entitle this trader to use that particular vehicle for which he has got the certificate, to use it for test driving or any other showpiece or a roadshow vehicle in that regards. So, trade certificate is required by the bona fide dealer of a vehicle manufacturer. This certificate is issued for different class of vehicles like motorcycle, light motor vehicle, goods carrier, three-wheeler, motor, maxi cab, else, etc. This certificate is needed for an agency to use the vehicle for test drive and demo purpose. Let us see the documents required for this procedure. You need Form 16, which can be obtained through the link provided here. This form is the primary form for this procedure. Please download this form with the help of the link. Take the printout and complete the form. Dealership letter from the manufacturer or any other appointing letter for this dealer. The map of your workplace. PAN number of the trade owner. Any valid address proof such as voter ID, etc. GST number of your business or firm. Documents of your workplace, meaning where you run your business, or the rent agreement if you are run your business on rent or the lease agreement. Photograph of your workplace, DD and Aadhaar card are the documents required for this procedure. Let us see how to apply in person. To apply for a trade certificate in Telangana, the applicant has to reach the RTO office concerned for his area. The link provided below here will help an individual to understand the RTO related contact informations. This link will help you to reach the contact page of the Government of Telangana State Transport Department. From here you can mark the local RTO address required for your visit. An application for the grant of trade certificate shall be made in Form 16. As said, you can download it from the link below. Application should be made separately for individual class of vehicle. For motorcycle, invalid carriage, light motor vehicle, medium passenger motor vehicle, medium goods vehicle, heavy passenger motor vehicle, heavy goods vehicle, any other motor vehicle of a specified description. Make sure you have all the necessary documents in your hand before starting applying. The applicant should make sure that they are eligible with the eligible criteria fulfilled. You can also obtain the application forms directly from the RTO office on your visit. Collect them, fill the application form and enclose the required documents and submit it to the official there. He will mark you the amount and the counter in which you need to pay. Please submit the documents and pay the fees. On accepting your application, they will start processing your application. On receipt of an application in respect of a vehicle, the registering authority may, if satisfied, shall assign in respect of each certificate a trade registration mark consisting of the registration mark referred to in notification made under subsection 6 of section 41. These are all the laws pertaining to the trade certificate, and followed by 2 letters and a number containing not more than 3 digits for a vehicle in a manner that acts as a registration number kind of thing. For example, AB represent the state code. For example, if you are applying for Telangana, it will come as T, starts with T. And 12, registration district code, the 1 2 registration district code, TC1, trade certificate number for the vehicle. So no applicant for trade certificate shall be refused by the registering authority unless the applicant is given an opportunity of being heard and reason for such refusal are given in writing, because this is mandatory. But if the RTO people has anything to do against it, they have to give it in a writing. Nowadays you can fix the appointment with the RTO with the link provided below here. This link will take you to the page which is an easy one to do the online application. Please select online transaction, all transaction slot availability. You will get the next page. Please select the district and the trade test center, select submit, and then you will get the appointment booking date along with the slot. This will save a lot of time on the actual day of processing. Let us see how to apply it through state portal. See, applying through state portal doesn't mean you will get it everything done in online. You can complete almost the entire process of except the personal visit. When applicant chooses to initiate his process by online, his application completion and fulfillment of documents are required can be completed, and also it saves time. Other activities will take place in as it is in the case of applying personally. Please follow the link provided here to do the online booking of procedure for this certificate. On selecting this link, you will get this page, and you are going for fresh trade certificate. Click this link, and another window will open and ask you to select the one for fresh or duplicate. Select fresh and say go. You will be taken to a new drop-down window. Please select the dealer name, class of vehicle, number of TCs, TC number, TC valid up to these are related to duplicate one, and say get details. You will be taken to the next page where you have to fill all the details required for and upload all the documents. Once the application procedure is completed, you will get an acknowledgement with the date and time to meet the RTO officials. Please go to the RTO office before 11:30 a.m. on the said date to start your procedure. Submit the application and acknowledgement and also the documents to the officer there. He will mark the amount at the counter you need to pay. Please pay the fees and submit the documents. From there, the actual physical process of granting vehicle trade certificate will take place to give you the same. Eligibility: a trader with applicable registration is eligible for this. Validity: a trade certificate granted or renewed under Rule 35 shall be in force for a period of 12 months from the date of issue, or renewal shall be effective throughout India. Fees: the link provided here will give the fees related information for the service. So please take note. This information provided here in this page will give you information related to services, and fees will be available. Please check for your service and make sure that you reach the RTO office with the said amount. Processing time: even though the process can be completed on the same day, proper verification and grant of certificate may take 1 week time. Officers and contacts: Transport Commissioner, Government of Telangana State Transport Department, Somajiguda, Hyderabad, Telangana. Mobile number, phone number, email ID are provided here for your personal verifications. The two link provided below here will help an individual to understand the city level government offices and as well as city district level unit offices details. All this information are very much vital for this procedure, for completing this procedure. Online resources: we have seen the forms, online portal and contact page portals. All these websites are very much useful for completing the procedure. Hence, we have given these websites as links in our procedure page at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: the trade certificate shall be carried on a motor vehicle in a weatherproof circular folder, and trade registration mark shall be exhibited in a conspicuous place in the vehicle. No holder of a trade certificate shall deliver a motor vehicle to a purchaser without registration, whether temporary or permanent. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to apply for vehicle trade certificate in Telangana.